Hi, this is Erica Machado, and this video is a simple linear regression template for the data mining class. So the first thing I did was set my working directory. You can see that I have my folder, and I have already set it my work directory. But this is where you go for setting your working directory. Okay, so now importing the data set. You have to make sure that this data set I'm going to import is in the folder I set as my working directory, and the file is right here. So I'm going to go ahead and run this. Alright, so my data set is right here. So for this simple linear regression, we're going to need to install the package cat tools, which I already have installed here. It was the first thing I did before starting this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this library, and I'm going to come here on my packages and make sure it's set to go. Alright, so now we're going to work with split, training set, and the test set. So I'm going to go ahead and run this. Now I have a test set, I have a training set, and my split. Alright, so the regressor. This is going to fit a simple linear regression to the training set. And now I need to install the ggplot too. This is the prediction for the training set. And the prediction for the test set. Alright, so that was just a quick video showing how I did my simple linear regression template. That's it.